to buy a car online safely. Buying a car online is now the norm for many UK drivers, with more than half starting and even completing their purchase digitally. The process offers unmatched convenience, transparent pricing, and a wider choice than any dealership forecourt, but it's not without risks. Before you click Buy Now, take time to research. Compare prices across reputable sites, check the car's history using services like HPI Check, and only deal with trusted sellers or manufacturer-approved platforms. If you can't inspect the car in person, consider arranging an independent inspection through organizations like the AA or RIC. When it comes to payment, always use secure methods and keep written proof of every agreement. Remember your legal rights too. Most online purchases from dealers come with a 14-day return window under the Consumer Contracts regulations. Bottom line, online car buying can be smooth, safe, and even enjoyable when approached with care. Do your research, verify every detail, and never rush a deal that doesn't feel right. The best purchase is the one you make with confidence.